Are we ready, dude? We're having a problem with the mic. Jeff, the camera's recording, but the lens cap is on. Oh, shit. How much weed did you smoke? I haven't been high since Friday. Today is Friday. Shit. God damn it. Hold on, I got it. Mic is good. Go ahead. Fucking hell. Okay, where do we begin? Well, it all started the last time we decided to upgrade the PC. Okay, we got the motherboard in. Now let's get the hard drives in. Todd, what does our cryptic as fuck instructions say? Wait, it says here there's a slot for one drive and the top slot, right below that thing for hot swap bays for a SSD. Okay, let's start there. I don't think that fits, man. What the fuck? Why doesn't that fit? Is there another slot? In what fucking universe does a full tower case not support a standard fucking hard drive? Calm down, we don't need you melting the parts. I'll go on Google and look this up. There's gotta be a way, right? Alright. Yo, we got any food? I'm starving. Check the goddamn fridge. All we got is Todd's leftover Chinese. Fuck. Guess we're getting takeout. Long story short, this fucking case is an abomination. I still have a love-hate relationship with it, but during that time when we were transferring all of our PC parts to the new case, we got an SSD and hooked it up. The plan was to clone our OS to it. Edgy was so pissed off after the case mishap that he and Todd put off doing whatever it is they were trying to do with the SSD, Jeff. Yeah, that. 2 years later, and we decided to give the PC a deep clean. We hadn't done it in a while. These cables are a mess. Yeah, but with the bullshit way we had to install the hard drives, this is the best we could do. Fair. While we were cleaning, Todd mentioned something. It sounded simple, but nothing ever is with us. Ain't that the fucking truth? We should clone the OS to the SSD. It's just been kinda sitting there. Alright, how bad can it be? Famous last words. We good? We got a problem. What? There's not enough space on the SSD. How big are the OS files? It looks like it's copying all our programs and files. I guess we got a lot of stuff on here. Alright, let's try moving as much as we can off it. Alright, we expected this to only take like an hour or so, right? Well... Yo, what y'all doing in here? Todd, please tell me that's small enough. We're still 115 gigs over. God damn it. What's going on? We're trying to clone the OS from the HDD to the SSD. Wait, what's an HDD? What the fuck are y'all talking about? The hard disk drive currently serving as our boot device. We're trying to clone the operating system to the solid state drive. Man, I don't know what the hell you're saying. Of course not, you're an idiot. Hey, fuck you. We have to keep going. How much fucking hentai and lewd waifu pictures do you have? I don't save that kind of stuff on this computer. Bullshit. Jeff, get me a beer. I'm purging this bitch. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but I'll get you a beer. Whatever you do, whatever you remove, back it up to that external hard drive. If it's your disgusting weeb trash, it's getting deleted, motherfucker. Mans was in there for a good 2 hours of some shit. I went in there to find him in a fit of rage. Edgy? I'm fucking done. Alright, fuck this. I'm ordering the biggest fucking hard drive I can so we don't have to deal with this bullshit. I just want to play Halo and Total War Warhammer 2 for fuck's sake. Edgy, you're melting the keyboard. Just let me do it. I swear to God, I was ready to flip the fucking desk. You were about to bust an artery. After a few minutes, we settled on a 2 terabyte SSD, which is not cheap. But thankfully it was on sale, so it was affordable. And by affordable, I mean RAP my fucking wallet. Anyways, it took 2 days to get here. Installing that thing was a bitch due to our cable management nightmare. Oh yeah, flippers are not very precise. And our AC was out, and we were near a planet with 2 suns, so we were sweating like crazy. Took Hotbox to a whole nother level. Almost got the SATA cable in. Yeah, you said that 3 fucking minutes ago. Hurry up, my flippers are slipping here. It's hard. The graphics card is blocking the port. God damn, it's hot as hell in here. I know. Damn, I dropped it again. In 4 seconds, I'm slapping the shit out of you. Sorry. Problems aside, once we got the cables in, things were kind of smooth sailing. We formatted the drive and began cloning. After an hour and a half, we came back and rebooted, and we went to the BIOS and told it to use an SSD. If only it were that simple. If only it were that simple. Did this fucking thing boot to the HDD again? Yeah, it did. I can't even see the SSD in our list of drives. Shit. What now? Let me think. After about 20 minutes or so of digging, it turns out Windows 10 took the drive offline. I'm not entirely sure why that is. Anyways, we enabled the drive from Disk Manager and rebooted it again. You want to guess what happened next?
Tonight on Guess What Happened Next, Edgy and Todd, while upgrading their PC, ran into a little snag while migrating their OS to their new SSD. Guess what happened next? A. The computer boots up from the SSD. B. The computer boots up from the HDD. C. The computer refuses to boot at all. D. The computer catches fire. Find out after these sponsors. If you answered C, congratulations, you win a lifetime supply of Mountain Dew Baja Blast and Nacho Cheese Doritos.
Are you fucking kidding me right now? What the fuck? Calm down. Maybe the drive didn't clone properly. Let me try it again. Or we're gonna have to waste another 2 fucking hours, man. Chill, bruh. Chill, bruh. Let's go watch Godzilla on the TV, man. I'll get you some whiskey. Come on. Tired of this shit. I hope whatever it is you're doing works. Me too. I was afraid Edgy was gonna throw the computer out of the airlock. Yeah, Edgy had no chill, bruh. Does he ever have chill? Aye, fair, but it was worse. Yeah, that's accurate actually. Anyways, after cloning the drive again, I disconnected the HDD and this time it worked. About fucking time. Moment of truth. This better fucking work or I'm taking a shotgun at this goddamn SSD. Please work, don't let me down. Alright, we did it. It fucking worked. Programs load in seconds, I binged some Halo 2 on it for a bit, and then retired for the night. But it ain't fucking over. It ain't ever fucking over. Alright. He put a hole in the goddamn wall. Woke my ass up. The computer wasn't finding the SSD boot drive. We tried power cycling this bitch, double checking the BIOS, disconnecting and reconnecting the drive. Nothing seemed to work. I was afraid the drive was corrupted, so I hooked up the HDD again and checked it. And get this. Windows 10 decided to disable the SSD for no reason. Because that makes fucking sense. After enabling the drive again, we rebooted several times to make sure that it would keep loading from the SSD, and it works. I don't fucking know anymore, man. Windows fucking 10, that's all I'm gonna say. Alright, I'm done. Cut the fucking camera off, dude. Alright, bro.